Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
We have this question here. In this diagram, the triangle represents women, the square represents engineers, and the circle represents employed. Find the number of women who are engineers and employed. So, number of women who are engineers and employed will be the number which is present in all three shapes. Therefore, such number is 5. Therefore, number of women who are engineers and employed is equal to 5. Therefore, answer is option C.